2014 marked the starting point of Aonica, a next-generation AI-driven financial infrastructure ecosystem. At that time, artificial intelligence had not yet become a global technological trend, while the blockchain industry was still in its earliest stages of development. It was during this period that a team of engineers, analysts, and researchers began building the foundational architecture of a system designed to combine artificial intelligence, financial analytics, and distributed computing into a single ecosystem. The primary focus was directed toward researching mathematical models of financial markets, predictive analytics, and behavioral analysis of market data. The team studied asset volatility, cyclical market movements, liquidity mechanisms, and capital flow patterns, gradually developing the first forecasting models and systems for identifying market anomalies. At the same time, the company's AI direction was being established. The first experiments with machine learning algorithms, large-scale data processing, and adaptive analytical systems capable of responding to changing market conditions had already begun. To support this research, the company built early testing environments, initial GPU configurations, and cloud infrastructure for processing financial data sets. Even at this early stage, Aonica was laying the foundation for its own AI ecosystem, focused on high-load computing and intelligent analytics. Particular attention was also given to security architecture. In 2014, the team began researching zero-trust security models, distributed protection systems, cryptographic data storage methods, and infrastructure segmentation principles. The core philosophy was that security should be embedded directly into the architecture of the platform itself, rather than added later as an external protection layer. It was during this period that the foundational principles of Aonica's future distributed security ecosystem were established. At the same time, work was underway on distributed computing and cloud-native architecture. Engineers explored infrastructure scalability, workload balancing, data synchronization, and fault-tolerant systems. The first infrastructure prototypes were tested within AWS environments and local computing clusters. These developments later became the foundation for Aonica's distributed AI infrastructure. Training AI models required massive amounts of information, which is why throughout 2014 the company actively developed its historical financial data infrastructure. The team collected market data sets, integrated market data sources, and built storage and processing systems that would later become the foundation of Aonica's AI analytics engine. The total investment volume in 2014 amounted to approximately $2.2 million. These funds were allocated toward building the research team, cloud infrastructure, and computing resources, AI research, security architecture, and the creation of the first system prototypes. By the end of 2014, Aonica already possessed the foundation of its proprietary AI analytical architecture, early predictive models, a financial data storage system, and the concept of a future AI-powered financial ecosystem. This period marked the beginning of a platform that would eventually evolve into a global autonomous AI-driven financial infrastructure of the next generation.